Cordless vacuum, 2 inches 1-stick vacuum cleaner, handheld vacuum with 25.6 V Li-ion rechargeable battery, HEPA filtration for carpet hard floor dog cat pet hair dust cleaning. 2-inch-1 cordless vacuum. The 2 inches 1 cordless vacuum cleaner is lightweight, portable, powerful and easy to use. It is easy to move and carry around. This unit provides 2 convenient vacuum cleaners in one. You can choose from a canister stick vacuum to effortlessly clean your floors and stairs, or remove the hand vacuum to easily access pet hairs, dust, crumbs from your furniture, shelves, and couches. Rechargeable and powerful? Cordless vacuum comes with a charging base and has a long-lasting 25.6 V 1800 mAh Li-ion battery that runs for up to 18-25 minutes on high power.